Wow, what an absolutely gorgeous hair transformation. Not only did she cut her hair, but she colored it as well. I love the dimension of the hair shades, kind of like a nice rose gold combo. Very pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more haircut ideas through these amazing hair transformations. So if you're currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with extremely long hair. The stylist places the hair into 4 ponytails and begins to cut. Ooh, what an absolutely gorgeous pixie. Oh, I am loving this. I feel like this really made her cheekbones pop too, the way that he did like the bangs and everything, the texture. This is just so beautiful. Next up, we see someone with a bob. And she ends up cutting the hair into a pixie. Very cute. I really like the shape and texture that the stylist did here. Kind of plays into that mohawk trend. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. It looks like she might be getting a bob here with bangs. Followed by yet another bob makeover. Now this is a very popular look that we've been seeing this year, the bob with the bangs. And then we have another similar variation here. I like how we are seeing the same haircut or similar version of it on different clients. It really just shows off the versatility of the overall style. And then we have this beautiful curly pixie. Wow, that is really pretty. Followed by another bob. Accented with the curtain bangs. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out this last hair transformation.